time.
Ella.
Now she's up.
Look at you. What a big girl.
Dada. Dada.
You say hi to Aunt Sharon?
Say hi. So I'm saying hi to Dorinda now. Hi. Hold it on. Can you stand for each other? Stand up.
You say Dada?
Dada.
No. I'm whispering it.
Dada.
Da, 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 da. Say, I love my Dada.
You're a tutorbuck. Tutorbuck. Daddy, Dada.
Little jailbird.
She wants out.
Whoa. She wanted him. Oh. I
Say,
did pretty good.
say hi, Aunt Sharon. I love you. And I miss you.